How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your EVS course book. Open your EVS course book page number 54. All of you open your EVS course book page number 54. Plants around us. What is the lesson name? Plants around us. Amma, what is around us? Lot of plants are there, animals are there, birds are there, and the earth, all type of living things are there on the earth. On our earth, only humans are there, only animals are there. No, all type of animals, all types of animals, birds, small insects, humans, along with the plants. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the plants. We are going to learn about plants in this lesson. Plants around us. What are the different plants are there around us? Okay, what are the different plants are there? Amma, do you know one thing? Plants can make their own food. Plants only, the green plants only can make their own food in the earth. Sorry, on our earth. Mana earth paina tana own food ni prepare ante tananta tan food prepare cheskuno only living things are plants. Understand me? The only living things that can make their own food. The only living things that can make their own food are only the plants. Now let's learn plants around us. A network of interrelated food chains is shown here. Let's learn about the plants around us. A network of interrelated food chains is shown here. There is a missing link without which this network never exists. Try to find out the missing link from the given option. Amma, here one of the link is missed. Do you know one thing? Food chain. Do you know what is a food chain? Food chain means one animal or one living thing is depend on another living thing for the food. One living thing is depending on another living thing. Another living thing is depending on another living thing. Here Nana, A. Here rabbit is there. Rabbit is one of the living thing. It depends on the plants and carrot. It will eat carrot, no? Rabbit will take the food of carrot. Means rabbit will depend on plants for their food. Rabbit will depend on the plants for their food. Okay, next here fox. Fox will depend on the rabbit for its food. Okay, Here, fox. Fox was eaten by the tiger. Here, tiger is depend on the fox for their food. Means one animal is food of another animal. Another animal is food of another animal. Another animal is food of another animal. This is called food chain. It is called as food chain. Here, plants are the food of rabbit. Rabbit is the food of fox. Fox is the food of tiger. When the tiger and the wild animals, they were died. If tiger was died, if the tiger was died, it was decomposed. If it was died, not only tiger, all the animals. If all the animals are died, they were decomposed. They were decomposed and they were buried in the soil. No? If they died, if all the animals and birds were died, అవన్నీ చచ్చిపోయాక ఏమవుతాయిరా? They were buried in the soil. మట్టిలో బరి అయిపోతాయి, అంటే డిజాల్వ్ అయిపోతాయి. When they dissolve, when they decomposed, the fungus may grow. Fungus may grow. The fungus is a food of fungus may grow. From the fungus, the nutrients, the proteins may increase. The proteins and the nutrients is a food of plants. Here, nutrients and proteins may grow when the animals died, when they are decomposed, when they are buried in the soil. From the decomposed substance, the proteins and nutrients may increase, that made the soil, that increase the soil fertility. The decomposition of dead animals will increase the soil fertility. అర్థమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మీకు? When they are died, when they are buried in the soil, the proteins and nutrients may produce and that may increase the soil fertility. అంటే మన సాయిల్ ఉందా, మట్టి ఉందా, మన మట్టిలో ఒక చెట్టు పెరగాలంటే దానికి ఫర్టిలిటీ ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు రా మనకు క్రాప్స్ ఉన్నాయిరా, క్రాప్స్ మన ఇళ్ళలో పండించుకుంటున్నామా? దానికంటూ స్పెషల్గా వేరే ప్లేస్ ఉంటుంది, అక్కడ మాత్రమే రెడ్ సాయిల్లోనే పండుతాయి, కొన్ని బ్లాక్ సాయిల్లోనే పండుతాయి. Some of the plants may grow in the red soil, some of the plants may grow in the black soil. Why? They can't do in our houses. మనది కొంచెం barren land ఉంటుంది. These places are not having the soil fertility. దీనికి soil fertility లేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ పెరగవు మంచిగా. అర్థమైందా? How the soil is getting the fertility? Because of the decomposition of animals. సాయిల్ ఫర్టిలిటీ ఎలా పెరుగుతుందా అంటే చచ్చిపోయిన యానిమల్స్ అన్ని బరీ అవుతాయి కదా, అందులో నుండి వచ్చే ఫంగస్ నుండి సాయిల్ ఫర్టిలిటీ పెరుగుతుంది. దెన్ the soil get the fertility. If the soil is fertilized, then the plants may grow well. Means this is a food of the plant. It is a food chain. Understand this? Here, plants are the food of rabbit. Rabbit is a food of fox. Fox is a food of tiger. When these animals are died, then the soil may get the fertility. Means these dead animals are the food of soil. Okay, soil fertility పెరిగింది అక్కడ. Then when the soil fertility is increased, that is a food of plants. This is the food chain. Means one is depending on other, another one is depending on another for food. That is called the food chain. Understand me? Yes, Nana. Rat is a food of snake and also cat. Here snake is a food of eagle and rabbit is a food for cat and also lion and also wolf. Okay, and also dog. Next here goat is given. Goat is a food for the dog, for the lion. It's a food. Who is here? Goat is a food for whom? What do the goat eat? What is the food of goat? Here is a question mark is given. What is the food of goat? What do the goat eat? Is it herbivorous or carnivorous or omnivorous? What do the goat eat? What do the goat eat? The goat eats only the plants. Understand me? So here question mark is given. What we have to write here? We have to draw a picture of plant. Understand me? Plant is a food for goat. Plant is a food for rabbit. I said no? Here it is a food. Plant is a food for rabbit. Plants is a food for rat. So here question mark is given. Even now what we have to draw here? We have to draw a plant. Plant is a food for goat. Plant is a food for rabbit. Plant is a food for rat. Okay. By this what did you understand? Different types of animals are there here. Carnivorous animals are there. Herbivores are there. And omnivores are there. Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. What are herbivores? What are herbivores? Understand the food chain? One animal is depending on another animal. Another animal is depending on another animal. Another animal also depending on another animal. That is called a food circle. It is called food chain. It is a process. ఒకటి ఇంకో దానికి ఫుడ్ అవుతుంది, ఇంకొకటి ఇంకో దానికి ఫుడ్ అవుతుంది, అలా చైన్ జరుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ అ ప్రాసెస్. ద ప్రాసెస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ food chain. Okay, now come to the herbivores. What animals are called as herbivores? Herbivores are the animals eat only the plants. Understand me? Herbivores are the animals that eat only the plants. Understand me now? Who are the herbivores animals? Did you know? Understand? Only plant eating animals. Herbivores are the only plant eating animals. Plants maatrame tintayi. They are called the herbivores. Example, here is example is there. Goat. Goat can eat only plants. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా గోట్ నాన్ వెజ్ తినడం చూసారా? ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా? గోట్ ఎప్పుడైనా నాన్ వెజ్ తినడం చూసారా? నో. ఇట్ విల్ ఓన్లీ ఈట్ ద లీవ్స్. ఆకులు మాత్రమే తింటుంది. ఈవెన్ ద కౌ కెన్ ఈట్ ఓన్లీ ద గ్రాస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో herbivore animal. Cow. Rabbit eat only the carrot. This is also the herbivore animal, and rat. Sometimes rat eat non-veg also. అవి చికెన్ మటన్ కూడా తింటాయి. అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? So rats are not the herbivores. Here herbivores animals are goat, cow, rabbit, giraffe also. Giraffe is a wild animal, but it will eat only the leaves. And one more animal is there. It is the biggest animal. What is that? Elephant. Elephant also the herbivore animal. Understand what are the herbivores? And the animals which eat only the plants. Only the plants. They are the herbivores. Example: goat, cow, rabbit, giraffe, elephant. Okay? Next. Herbivores understand, Anna? Next one is carnivores. Carnivores. Who are carnivores? The animals which eat only the animals. Flesh of animals. The animals which eat only the flesh of animals. They are called herbivores. Herbivores eat only the non-veg, not veg. They won't touch veg. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా లయన్ చెట్లను తినడం చూసారా? ఆకులు తినడం చూసారా? లయన్ తన ప్రాణం పోయినా సరే అది వెజ్ తినదు. వాట్ ఇట్ లైక్? ఓన్లీ ద ఫ్లెష్, మీన్స్ నాన్ వెజ్. దే లయన్ ఈజ్ ద కార్నివోర్. Understand me? Who are the carnivore animals? The animals which eat only the flesh of animals. They are carnivores. Example: lion. Lion eat only the flesh, not the plants. Lion will depend on only the flesh, not on plants. Tiger. Lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, fox, wolf, and more. Dog. These are the so on. Lot of animals are there. Okay, these are the carnivore animals. Carnivore animals will eat only the non-veg, only the flesh. They are the carnivores. Next one is omnivores. Do you know omnivores? We are example. Humans are the example for omnivores. Omnivores. Omnivores will eat both. They will eat plants and also animals. Example: humans, no? We are eating plant products and also animal products. Now we are eating plant products. We are eating fruits, vegetables, rice, pulses. These are all the plant products. Means we are eating plant products along with the animals. We are not eating chicken. We are not eating mutton. We are not eating fish. Yes. Means humans are depending on plants and also animals. Not all humans. Andaru non-veg tintarani leddu, but some of. But we are eating now, so we are the omnivores. Humans are the omnivores because we are eating plants products and also animal products. రెండు తింటున్నాం మనం. Animal products తింటున్నాం, plants products తింటున్నాం. So examples of omnivores are humans and also rat. Rat will eat stuff, means it will eat rice along with the non-veg also. Cat also. sorry, Nana. Cat animal product. That is a carnivore only. And cockroach. Cockroach also the example for the omnivore. Cockroach and vulture. Vulture is dead animals, no, not crow. Crow also the omnivore. It will eat both plants products and also animal products. Okay, these are the examples of omnivores. Omnivores will eat both plants products and also animals. They are the omnivores. What are herbivores? Herbivores eat only the plants. Herbivores will eat only the plants. Carnivores will eat only the animals. But omnivores will eat both plants products and also animal products. Okay? Next. All types of animals are given here. Carnivores are there, herbivores are there, and omnivores are there. Okay? We know that food gives us energy to do different kinds of work. Where do we get our food from? From where do the herbivores, carnivores, omnivores get the required energy for their bodies? What are the living things that can make their own food through photosynthesis? As the same itself implies, what is essential for photosynthesis? Here, where do we are doing work? You are writing, you are reading, you are writing, you are doing lot of works. Your mother also doing lot of works. To do the work, you wants to play cricket. To play cricket, what is needed? To play cricket, to cricket ఆడాలరా. Cricket ఆడాలంటే నీకేం కావాలి? You need bat and ball. That's it. Along with the bat and ball, you need energy, no? Energy లేకుండా నువ్వు ఆటలు ఆడతావా? You need energy. We need energy to do the work, to do any work. If you want to play, we need energy. If you want to write, you need energy. If you want to read, you need energy. If your mother wants to cook, she needs energy. If your father wants to work in the office, he needs energy. Everybody, not only the carnivores, omnivores and herbivores, each and every living thing on the earth need energy. Where they are getting the energy? We need energy, no? We need energy to do the work. మనం ఏ వర్క్ చేయాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మనకి ఏం కావాలరా? We need energy. Where we are getting that? Where we are getting the energy? Food. We are getting the energy from the food. Okay? We are getting the energy from the food. Food gives us energy to us to do the work. Okay? Food gives us energy to do the work. మనము బాగా తిన్నామనుకో బాగా ఎనర్జీ వస్తుంది, మనం బాగా పనిచేస్తాం. లేదు ఒకరోజు మొత్తం నువ్వు తినకుండా ఉన్నావురా, వన్ డే టోటల్లీ డిడ్ నాట్ టేక్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఈరోజు మొత్తం తినకుండా ఉండు, టుమారో యు ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు డూ ఎనీ వర్క్. You may feel you are weak and tired. You may feel like that, no? ఒక రోజు నువ్వు తినకుండా పొద్దున్న నుండి నైట్ వరకు ఏమీ తినకుండా పడుకున్నావురా, తెల్లవారి నీకు ఓపిక ఉంటుందా? You are able to do any work? You are able to walk? Even though we are unable to walk also, you are able to lift your bag? You are able to lift your bag? No, because you did not take anything yesterday. ముందు రోజు ఏమీ తినలేదు కదా. You lost your energy. You did not get your energy. నువ్వు ఫుడ్ తీసుకోలేదు కాబట్టి నీకు ఎనర్జీ లేదు. ఓకే, So everybody need energy. Where we are getting our energy? By taking the food. That's what food is very important. మీరు ఎప్పుడు మీ మమ్మీ తినమంటే ఈరోజు కూర బాగాలేదు, ఇది లేదు, అది లేదు, మీరు తినకుండా ఉంటారు కదా. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ డూ లైక్ దట్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఈట్ యూ మే గెట్ ద ఎనర్జీ. మీరు బాగా తింటేనే మీకు బాగా బలం వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు మీరు అన్ని వర్క్స్ ఫాస్ట్గా చేయగలరు. సో యూ మస్ట్ టేక్ 4 times. You must take your food 4 times in a day. Breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner. Like that you must take 4 times your food in a day. Okay? Here I said no already. Where the herbivores animals are getting the food? Herbivores. Herbivores are getting the food from the plants. Where the herbivores getting the food? Herbivores food ఏంటిదిరా? Plants. Herbivores are depend on plants. Herbivores are depend on here. Herbivores. Herbivores depend on plants for their food. Understand me? This is the food. Where do the carnivores get the food? Carnivores. Carnivores will depend on herbivores. And omnivores herbivores food is plants. Carnivores depend on animals. And omnivores depend on both plants and also animals. Okay? Herbivores depend on plants, carnivores depend on animals, omnivores depend on both plants and animals. Where the herbivores are getting the food from the plants. Carnivores are getting their food from the animals. Omnivores are getting their food from the plants and also animals. Okay, they are getting the food. Now, okay, these are okay. Herbivores are getting the food, carnivores are getting the food, and omnivores are getting the food. Where the plants are getting the food? Amma, understand ikkada ardhamavutundara? Herbivores food eva plants ra, carnivores food eva animals, omnivores food plants and animals. Mari plants ekkada vastundi food? How the plants are getting their food? Vitannitiki food istundi, okay. Plants are giving the food to animals and also humans. Plants are giving the food for the humans and also herbivores animals. Where the plants are getting their food? What is the food of plants? Are the carnivores? Are the herbivores? Are the omnivores? No. Where they are getting the food? They also need food, no? They are also living things. Plants also living things, no? Where they are getting the food? Where they are getting the food? They make their own food. Plants are the only plants are the only living things that make their own food. Understand me? They make their own food with own. That is in the process of photosynthesis. Understand me? Plants make their own food. Plants ఎవరిపైన డిపెండ్ అవ్వవు. Plants will not depend on others. They will make their own food. That's what they are called producers. producers. Plants are called as producers because they make their own food. They will not depend on others. అన్ని యానిమల్స్ లాగా అన్ని ఓట్స్ లాగా ఇంకో ఫుడ్ కోసం ఇంకో పక్కన యానిమల్స్ పైన డిపెండ్ అవ్వం. దే విల్ మేక్ దేర్ ఓన్ ఫుడ్. ఓన్లీ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ అన్నా, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఆల్ ప్లాంట్స్, అన్ని ప్లాంట్స్ ఫుడ్ ఓన్గా ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవు. ఓన్లీ ద గ్రీన్ ప్లాంట్స్, నాట్ ఆల్ ద ప్లాంట్స్. అన్ని ప్లాంట్స్ ఫుడ్ తను ఓన్గా ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవు. ఓన్లీ ద గ్రీన్ ప్లాంట్స్. హూ కెన్ మేక్ దర్ ఓన్ ఫుడ్? గ్రీన్ ప్లాంట్స్. ఓన్లీ ద గ్రీన్ ప్లాంట్స్ make their own food. They make their own food in the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Plants make their own food in the process of photosynthesis. Do you have doubt how they can make their own food? Amma, plants make their own food by using the sun rays. By using the sun rays and water in the soil. Water in the soil. మనం ప్లాంట్స్కి అవి పెరగాలని ఖచ్చితంగా మనకి వాటర్, ప్లాంట్స్కి వాటర్ పోస్తామా? We water the plants, no? Okay. By using the water in the soil, by using the sun rays and also in the air they observe the carbon dioxide. They observe the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide in the air. With these plants make their own food. Understand me? With the help of sunlight, water in the soil and carbon dioxide in the air. By using them, plants make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. This process is called photosynthesis. The plants make their own food. That process is called photosynthesis. How they make their own food, do you know? They observe the carbon dioxide in the air, no? They observe the carbon dioxide in the air. మన ఎయిర్లో ఆక్సిజన్, కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్, నైట్రోజన్, హీలియం ఇలా చాలా గ్యాసెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఇన్ దట్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ అబ్జర్వ్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్. కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ మాత్రమే రిలీజ్ చేసుకుంటుంది, అంటే అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకుని బై యూజింగ్ ద సన్ రైస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో వాటర్ ఇట్ విల్ డివైడ్ ద కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఇంటూ కార్బన్ అండ్ ఆక్సిజన్. Understand me? With the help of the sunlight, it divide the carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen. ఏం చేస్తుంది? కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ని మనలాగా బ్రీత్ చేస్తుంది అది కూడా. We can breathe through our nose, no? We can breathe through our nose. They can breathe through their leaves. దాని ఆకులు ఉంటాయా? ఆకులు నుండి అది బ్రీత్ చేస్తుంది. Do you know that? The plants can breathe through their leaves. Okay? Air breathe చేస్తుంది, మనమేమో ఆక్సిజన్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం. We are taking oxygen. It is taking carbon dioxide. Okay? Then it divide the carbon dioxide into carbon and also oxygen. ఏం చేస్తుంది? కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ని కార్బన్ గా ఆక్సిజన్ గా డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. And then it will release oxygen for us. Understand me? Why we need plants? మనకు కలిసిన ఆక్సిజన్ ఎవరు ఇస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ? Plants are releasing oxygen. కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ నుండి కార్బన్ ని ఆక్సిజన్ డివైడ్ చేసిందారా చేసి ఆక్సిజన్ ని రిలీజ్ చేస్తుంది ఫర్ ద హ్యూమన్స్ కోసం రిలీజ్ చేస్తుంది. హ్యూమన్స్ అండ్ animals. And it is having carbon now. Carbon, with the help of the carbon, it makes starch. This is a food of green plants. Carbon is the food of green plants. They made their own food now. Plants made their own food now. That's what they are the producers. They won't depend on others. Plants depend on food కోసం ఎవరిపైన డిపెండ్ అయ్యారా? They make their own food. Plants make their own food in the process of photosynthesis by using water in the soil, carbon dioxide in the air, with the help of sunlight. They make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. Okay? Today's class is completed. Bye.